like this now. If you are broke, I will leave you. I will leave you. Let me not come and stay with you. Then you should not be telling me, baby, God time is the place, this is the best, baby. Please bear it. Let me not be bearing hunger. Let me not die. Be playing. Be playing. Thank God you have car, you have everything, you have money. Yeah, I will vote for you, born twins. See, I'll vote for him. I'll born twins are joy. If you're broke, I'll go. In the plane. That's what the pastor is to talk in church is true. I will leave you around. I will leave you. Better just be thanking God you have money to keep finding like me like this. No.